Brace yourselves. The Raging Bull is back with a brand new bite. Introducing the 2027 Lamborghini Temerario, the radical new V8 hybrid supercar that's set to redefine Lamborghini performance and style for a new era. Replacing the iconic Huracán, the Temerario is everything you expect from Lamborghini and more. A daring design, electrified speed, and a name that means fearless in Italian. Fitting, don't you think? At its heart is a new twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, paired with a powerful electric motor system. Together, they produce a combined output of over 900 horsepower, launching the Temerario from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 205 miles per hour. The hybrid powertrain is borrowed from the Lamborghini Revuelto's new age architecture, but in a lighter, more agile package. All-wheel drive, a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and regenerative braking that charges while you dominate corners. Inside, the Temerario feels like the cockpit of a spaceship and drives like one too. It features Lamborghini's brand new digital interface, complete with a curved touchscreen, customizable drive modes, and augmented reality heads-up display. Carbon fiber is everywhere, from the seats to the dash, while the cabin still roars with Italian drama and luxury. This is a car built for purists who want the thrill of a supercar with the responsibility of hybrid innovation. Temerario carries Lamborghini's unmistakable design DNA: sharp, futuristic, and aerodynamic. The Y-shaped DRL's aggressive stance and floating rear wing aren't just eye candy. They're part of an active aero system designed to slice through air and keep you grounded. The 2027 Lamborghini Temerario is expected to make its official debut in late 2026, with deliveries beginning in early 2027. Pricing? Expect a base tag north of $280,000, but with options, the sky's the limit. The hybrid era doesn't mean slower. It means smarter, sharper, scarier. The Lamborghini Temerario is not just the future of supercars, it's the future of fearless. Like what you see? Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Would you go for the Temerario over a Ferrari 296 GTB or McLaren Artura? Let us know.